Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to watch content without paying extra, finding titles that are included with your Prime membership is key. Prime Video offers both free and paid content, so knowing how to filter saves you money. Okay, so in this guide, I will show you step by step how to find titles included with Prime Video in 2026 easily and efficiently. So first thing, open Prime Video, like launch the Prime Video app or website. Okay, it depends whether you are using a phone or a laptop currently. Okay, so go to your you go to the home screen, like you have to be ready to browse, like look for included with Prime section, scroll through homepage, find rows labeled included with Prime. Okay, free to you. These sections only show free content. Okay, so use filters like go to search or categories. Okay, so we have here the search, open filter or refine option. Okay, so as you can see, for example, from here, so here we have genres. Okay, so you choose whatever you want. So for example, this. Okay, select included with Prime. So now you will only see free titles. So check the badge, like open any title, look for the included with Prime label, confirms it's free to watch. Avoid paid content, like watch out for rents, buy, so these require extra payments. Okay, start watching, like tap play, no extra charges if it's included. Okay, so there are some common mistakes that happen, like clicking rents by mistake, not checking the Prime badge, assuming all content is free. Okay, so and that's it guys, thank you for watching and see you guys in the next tutorial.